In this session, we will know about conditional statements. Conditional statements will be there in any programming language: PHP, Python, Java, C, C++, Swift, whatever. The concept of conditional statement will always be there. So, what are conditional statements? It's like there will be one condition. If that's true, then do something, or else don't do something. The first conditional statement is if else. You can see here if else. If the condition is true, then run the code, or else run the other code. It's very straightforward. And the second one is if else if. That means if you have multiple conditions. Suppose if age is greater than 18, then they are allowed to drive. If then else if else if age is greater than 21, then they are allowed to go to clubs and all. And simply in the end else you can just write, please mention your age correctly. It's basically some kind of conditions in your application. And trust me, when you are building any app, real world application, there will be a lot of conditions. If you see Facebook, you can just see if the user has logged in, then show the home page, else show the login page. That's a very good example, I will say. Now, there are some operators as well which we use frequently with if else statements, that is and or. Two conditions can be joined using and or, and both have their own meaning. And operator means both the conditions specified must be true. That is, if age is greater than 18 and person is from Delhi, in that case, there are two conditions which both of them should be satisfied to run the code. And when it comes to the OR operator, it's just like if the person either is greater than 18 or from Delhi, if any one of them is true, then the system can execute the code. You can just get the basic information from here, because right now we will start with an example. Let's do it. Again, I am here using that Avengers scenario so that it will be easy to understand. Let's remove the previous codes and all, and let's start it. Here first I will be using comments, where I'm writing declaring variables below. Now we have used that const keyword earlier. Here I will write const int stones is equal to 6. For your use, I can just write comment like using const so that number of stones cannot be changed. Simple. Then string hero is equal to Iron Man, and string villain is equal to Thanos. Now the new data type here will be Boolean. Boolean is what? You can just say true or false. Boolean is nothing but the two value. Either it will be true or false. So we have this Boolean hero win is equal to true. And again, Boolean villain win is equal to false. So, okay, we have successfully declared all the variables needed. There are 5 variables here. Now we will use conditional statements. If our first condition will be if stones less than 6, print you have not collected all the infinity stones. One condition is there. Second condition, if stones are is double equal to 6, that means stones are 6 and villain win is equal to true. That means the villain wins here in this case. We will print by using string interpolation. Villain has all the, again string interpolation, 6 infinity stones. Now we have written 2 conditions here. The third we can, because in if else you can have multiple conditions. There is no boundary. Again, if stones is equal to 6 and hero win is equal to true, in that case, you just simply print hero, which is the Iron Man, has all the 6, which is the stones, infinity stones. And finally, in the else statement, you can write hero and villain don't care about the stones. Simple. Now, with your mind, you just think what will be output. Here stones is 0, 6 and hero win is true. So first one will be false, second one will be false, third one. So the output will be Iron Man has all the 6 infinity stones. But if I simply make this one false as well, then it will, the last else will be executed, because not even one of the conditions are satisfied. And i'm I'm just reminding it again, since stones are constant, you cannot change the stone's value here like this. It will show an error. So I hope you have understood clearly what are conditional statements, and if else is very self explanatory, because if one condition is true, then print it, or else print the other thing. So that's it for all today. See you in the next video.